Talk about the visions I used to get. I used to see visions of the future. I used to think ahead. I would be always a future thinker. What's gonna happen in the future? Okay, what am I gonna do at a certain time? What is gonna happen? What, I had visions about it. Certain things that I was gonna do that I didn't do. I couldn't do because I didn't have the money for it. I didn't have the power for it. I didn't have the job for it. So I couldn't do it. Even though I wanted to do it, I I I wish I could have done it, at an earlier time, but I couldn't do it because I didn't have those things. If you don't have those things, you can't do it, you know. So I planned ahead, and I said, I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna write it down, and when the time comes, I'm gonna take out these lyrics, and I'm gonna rap about the future. So I was a rapper about the future in the past. So in the past, I was writing about the future, you know, and now in the future, I'm talking about the past. You know, it's crazy. I mean, my mind works in mysterious ways. It doesn't think like everybody else. I don't think like everybody else. Everybody has a different way of thinking. I have a different way of thinking too. I don't think the way you guys think, And I used to have visions of the future, and I used to write them down. And when I would have dreams, I would write them down. When I would have visions, I would write it down. When I had inspirations, I used to write it down. When I used to have motivations, I used to write it down. My mind was completely focused on this thing that I wanted to do. I knew I wasn't gonna make it big time. I knew I wasn't gonna become a big rap star. I wasn't gonna become famous, and I would be known all over the world. That I knew that was never gonna happen because I mean, my music was only meant to be underground. I just was gonna be an underground rapper that was just known by a few people. I wasn't. I did it because I loved it. I cared for it. I had a passion for it, you know. And when I would rap, I would feel some type of way, and there's a certain emotion that I felt when I would be on stage, when I would rap. The way I felt was such a beautiful feeling that I've never felt before, and I saw it like a therapy. I saw it like like a therapy. Like when I would rap, I'm gonna release all my frustration. I'm gonna release all my stress. I'm gonna release it all to the people. So when somebody else listens to it, they're gonna be like, I can identify with what this guy is talking about. I'm going through the same fucking shit, you know. I'm going through the same fucking shit. And then they're gonna be like, you know what? This guy keeps it real, you know. And I was rapping about the future, things that have not even happened, things things that I was going to do, but I couldn't do because I didn't have the stuff for it. So that's about it. I just had to talk talk about my visions. And by the way, this is a 2018 video. Yeah. And and I'm out. Peace. The hell? How come it's not letting me fucking? Sorry. I think my phone has some kind of fucking virus. It doesn't let me fucking click this shit. I'm trying to. Come on. Ah, fuck. I'm sorry, people. You're gonna have to wait until this video ends. I don't know what the hell is happening. I have nothing else to say right now at the moment. But when I do have something to say, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make more videos. But this thing is not letting me click. I do not know what the hell is happening. I think this fucking shit has a fucking virus. Fuck, man. Fuck. I guess, people, you're gonna have to wait until until the video ends on its own. You know, which I don't know when is gonna stop filming my video, but you're gonna have to wait until it does. Come on. Come on, stupid video. At this very moment, I'm clicking the button, but it's not letting me. It's not letting me fucking get out. Come on.